Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to disable activity status on Instagram. So if you guys are wondering how to disable the activity status that we have on Instagram, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to disable this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first, in order for us to disable this, is to go ahead and launch the specific Instagram application. I would also like you guys to proceed as well with logging into your preferred account. And once we are already there on our preferred, what we can do next is to tap on our profiles right here, and then tap on the three lines located in the top right corner. So once we're there, I would like you to proceed with tapping on your settings and privacy. Next, let's scroll down until we see the how others interact with you. Tab and tap on messages and story replies, and tap on show activity status. Basically make sure that this is off in order for us to disable the activity status. Now, sometimes this is gonna be on by default, and in order for us to disable this, just tap on that again to disable it. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.